So I started my own business in about 1987, 86, 87. We had a problem around that time with oil usage, especially in older cars, and so the HPR range sort of fitted in with exactly what we needed. Obviously an Australian company making an Australian oil that suited our climate, and it solved the problem. It made me look good as in my business, and my customers are very happy.
Penrite's been part of my success here, or our success here. You know, that they've been with me from day one. They were one of the first suppliers that, you know, gave me a shot, if you like. Because at first, when I first started the business, it was hard. I wouldn't be where I am today, I don't think, if it wasn't for Penrite along the way.
These are big, expensive machines, and you've got to look after them. You can't cut corners. Having the right product is essential, you know what I mean? Because we're running, especially in North Queensland, you know, we've got high temperatures, remote areas, so we need good products and equipment, because we can't afford to be broken down in the middle of nowhere.
Well, in the early days, I mean, HPR 30, HPR 50, everybody bought that. So that stuff used to just walk out the door. And as time has gone on, they've developed all these other products. You go back all those years ago, where, you know, you had your V8 Holdens and Fords and so forth. You didn't need the oils that are around today. The cars demand a specific oil these days.
We try and look after our customers. I believe Penrite look after their customers. You know, we're very similar in that respect. You know, so there's a lot of similarities that I see between the company and me. I guess having been with Penrite for so long, it almost feels like we are in partnership together. Like you know, it's as much a part of my business as anything, Penrite.
The good thing about Penrite is they give me the impression that they care about my business, and they do. If I need any sort of help whatsoever, they're there to help. That goes a long way in my relationship and business relationship with Penrite, because they do care, you know. So, and I'm a bit of a whinger too. So,
I've been using Penrite for at least 16 years. I cannot fault it. Motor oil, the gearbox oil, the diff oils, the greaser, you name it, it's all Penrite. Right down to the tyre shine. I have confidence in Penrite's product to keep us on the road in any conditions.
I've had opportunities to stock other oils, but yeah, I've always stayed loyal to Penrite, really. There's a relationship there, and probably the best currency in business is respect, and it's mutual respect. They've been great the whole way through.
There's been, at times, things happen in the industry. There's certain engines that fail regularly and certain issues that happen. And in this workshop, we've never ever seen that. And it's like, why isn't it? Like, people would say to me, oh, haven't you ever seen this? Or haven't you ever seen that? Like, well, no. And it's like, to be honest, I put it down to the fact that we've always run Penrite oil. You know, there's so many businesses out there trying to get that little bit extra money. They put a cheaper brand of oil in it, and then the results speak for themselves, you know.
Oh, look, from the start, Penrite have always made me feel welcome. It's a great product, very, very easy to sell. The support is great, and just the family, the aspect that it's independently owned family business and Australian owned. I think that is a big thing. The best currency in business is respect. I've had Penrite from day one, and we will continue to have Penrite.
I'm immensely proud of them, to be honest, to stay Australian, to stay Australian owned, a family company. I think in effect we should change it from, what is it, football, meat pies, kangaroos. It should be now Penrite oils, because, you know, we don't even make Holden cars anymore.